We purchased 9 acres of land to move into a shed that we're converting into a home. And although we have a decent little temporary kitchen setup, I genuinely love cooking on a wood fire under the stars. It feels good, it feels authentic, and you can just taste the nature in the food. I just feel like everybody should get to enjoy the pleasures of nature. Eat out less, but eat outside in nature more. Have you ever cooked or eaten on a wood fire under the stars? If so, tell us what you cooked or what you ate. And if you haven't, is it something that you'd be interested in doing in the future?